What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So in this episode, we are actually visiting an island called Ttiritiri Matangi Island. It is a bird reserve wildlife sanctuary. So what happened is, back in the day, like in the early 1800s, when the white settlers came in, they were in charge of the land. They used the land for farming. So most of the land and wildlife got destroyed. They had a lot of pests such as rats, snakes that kind of took out most of the natural wildlife such as the birds. And basically for many years that island just got left alone and it got put aside after they were done with the farming. They decided to do a project. It was like $1 million project where they wanted to restore the natural life. So they started by replanting trees. They planted about 200,000 to 300,000 from 1984 to 1994. And they set all kinds of bait traps to get rid of all the pests. So that's all the snakes, rats, all the ants, cockroaches, all basically the pests that didn't live there. They got taken care of. And after they replanted the trees, throughout the years, they also replanted new bird life. So a lot of the old birds, or a lot of the birds that used to live there in the beginning, they got wiped out from most of the snakes, rats, all these other pests. So part of the project was they brought all these birds and they basically repopulated them. So 20-30 years later, from 1984 to 2018, taking a huge hike, and basically you'll be able to see a lot of the scenery. So a lot of the old life that was there in the early 1800s, you're able to see them now because of this project. It's like what you would see in this island was what it would look like 1,000 years ago. So it's really nice to see how they repopulated, how they spent a lot of time, money. Some interesting facts about Ttiritiri Matangi is you take a ferry to go visit this island. And when you take there, you got to take back. And some of the birds that you'll actually see on my screen would be the hihi, the kaka, the kakakiri, the koko. You have a lot of these native birds that didn't live there for the longest time because they were wiped out from all these pests, and then they were repopulated, and now there's over, I believe, 71 species of birds, which is really, really cool. It was such a nice hike that we visited. But yeah, anyway, hope y'all enjoy, and thank you for watching. Fortunately, I didn't record the lighthouse because I was enjoying it with my own eyes, but there you go. Christmas trees. There's the ocean. There's the volcano.
We should do a selfie over here.
Yeah. Are the bird cages?
It's a demonstration.
Oh, demonstration?
Mm-hmm.
The nesting box. Do they open?
Mm-hmm. No, it's just a trailer.
So I have just to like nest birds, help them grow and stuff. Pretty dope. These are some of the most rare birds that you can find on the island. Especially that parakeet right there. And this one, the coon.
Now that's one of 3 adults up here, and I've got 2 chicks, which are 3/4 size. And a lot more.
That is the, I forgot the name of it, but it's like the parakeet of the island. Super rare bird to find apparently. So pretty. I'll leave them be. Ah! Shoot. Let's see what the brochure says about it. So it's the Ttiritiri. Very rare in Northern Ireland, can be heard by the loud chatter kiki kiki as they fly above the forest canopy.